Hi viewers, welcome to MATLAB solution. Today we are going to see about design of SEPIC converter with PID controller. SEPIC converter nothing but single-ended primary inductor converter. It can be operated. That means we can operate that SEPIC converter is more than input voltage or less than input voltage. That means it can operate at both step down and step up mode. First you have to see about the design equation. That means calculation for inductor and capacitor for that SEPIC converter. In this program we can calculate that SEPIC converter, inductor and capacitor. Here you can see that we are designing the SEPIC converter for early 2002 watts, that means 2.002 kilowatt, and the input voltage here we are considered as 123.6 volt, and then the switching frequency here we are considered is 10 kilohertz, and then output voltage here we consider is 48, and then this is for a calculation of duty cycle, and then this is a calculation of calculating the input current maximum, and then this is for output current maximum. So this is load resistance calculation. These are the settings for ripple inductor current and ripple capacitor voltage in the input and the output side, and these are the equations used for calculating L1, L2 and C1, C2. While executing this program we will get the value for L1, L2, C1 and C2. This is used for creating a model of SEPIC converter. Here I'm going to create a for the DC source and DC source value is 123.6. Then we inductor series RC branch and change it to L. This is L1, and then we execute this value this one, and this, and then capacitor copy and change it to L1 to C, and then inductor this, and then this like this one, and this, and then capacitor copy and capacitor, and then look K and change like what, and this one, and then this one, and this, and then we show the calculation, and then some copy and use for the and then transfer function value of K and T1. Here you can see there is a transfer function of that identified plant. Next I'm going to click apply. Next I'm going to use PID tuner. I'm going to tune the model. Here I'm going to apply, update the model. After tuning it, we are getting that overdamped response, and then check the result. So here we have more oscillation. So the voltage, output voltage is oscillate around 44 to 52 volt. So this is because of that setting. That means here we consider 0.148 into 0.1. So the voltage will be oscillate around 4.8. That means plus or minus 4.8. That I'm going to choose this value to 0.01%, and then I'm going to execute the model. Here you can see that this value will get that from that particular settings. So I'm going to change this to change the value of L1, L2, C1 and C2, and then I'm going to check the response. You can see that the ripple is reduced because initially we set that ripple percentage is equal to 0.1. So then the 48 into 0.1 means the oscillation. That means the ripple we are getting plus or minus 4.8. So that means 48 plus 4.8, which is equal to 52. 48 minus 4.2, which is equal to 43. The output voltage of this output voltage will be oscillate around 52 to 43.8 volt. So when you reduce that the ripple factor, we can reduce that voltage. Now you can see that we will get the less ripple voltage, and then it will be oscillate around 48.5 to 47.5. So that means almost plus or minus 5 volt. Okay, and also it's set at around 48 volt. Here you can see that we are getting around 2000 watts, and here you can see that we are getting current around 42 amps. So now I'm going to check the same model with the step change in reference. Here I'm going to use step input. Initial value I'm going to make 48, the final value I'm going to make 24, and then it's going to be changed at the step time. Step time I'm going to make it 5. After 5 seconds, the reference command changed from 48 to 24. So we will check the result of this change in reference command. Here you can see because of change in reference command, the actual load voltage also changed, and then it maintained at around the 24 voltage. For change in reference command also, the system worked fine with the PID controller. So this is working out SEPIC converter with the PID controller. Thanks for watching our videos. Kindly subscribe our channel and also click bell icon for notification about upcoming videos. Thank you so much. Bye bye.